Internal assessment requirements in IB Business Management are crucial for students to understand. This presentation will guide you through the key requirements for the internal assessment in the IB Business Management course, applicable to both standard level SL and higher level HL students. We'll discuss the structure, criteria, and best practices to help clarify expectations and guide students and teachers in navigating this critical part of the IB curriculum. The DP Business Management Assessment consists of two main components: internal assessment, IA, and external assessment, EA. The IA involves a business research project that is identical for SL and HL students, requiring a detailed study of one organisation and integration of a key business concept. On the other hand, the EA is based on core business management syllabus content covering broad topics, with criteria and structure detailed in the official IB guide. Focus and requirements differ, with IA emphasising depth and application, while EA evaluates comprehensive understanding across multiple units of the course. The internal assessment should focus on a single organisation, encouraging a comprehensive and detailed case study rather than broad generalisations. A narrow research question is essential, as it increases the likelihood of thorough, well-supported analysis and strong conclusions. Additionally, industry context should be considered, addressing broader industry issues only if they directly impact the chosen organisation, maintaining a tight focus. Integration of key business concepts is vital in the internal assessment. The four key concepts include change, creativity, ethics, and sustainability. Each project must explicitly apply one concept as a conceptual lens, deepening insight into business challenges and decisions. For example, using the concept of change to analyse outsourcing decisions showcases concept-based learning in action. Supporting documents and research depth are critical for a successful internal assessment. Students should select 3 to 5 relevant, in-depth, and recent documents, ideally within 3 years, to provide strong evidence. The use of both primary and secondary sources enriches perspectives and research validity. However, exceeding 5 documents can reduce marks, so it's important to keep extra material in the bibliography only. Applying business tools and theories is essential for a robust internal assessment. Purposeful tool selection involves focusing on a few relevant frameworks and applying them deeply rather than superficially using many tools. Analytical depth is achieved by applying concepts and theories to interpret data and answer the research question with insight. This approach encourages critical thinking and a global understanding of business issues. Teacher guidance and process management play a crucial role in the internal assessment. A stepwise approach includes setting timelines, framing concepts, topic selection, proposal writing, research, drafting, and review. Common challenges include missing documents, excessive supporting sources, or off-topic research through teacher oversight. Encouraging student reflection through self-marking and checklists can promote quality assurance before submission. The internal assessment has several critical requirements. A strict word limit of 1,800 words ensures focused writing and conciseness. A narrow research question facilitates thorough investigation and analysis. Document selection is crucial, with 3 to 5 relevant recent supporting documents carefully chosen for depth and range. Concept integration requires the application of one key concept to guide analysis and reflect on business ideas. Finally, teacher support through guidance and feedback is essential for improving quality and adherence to criteria. In conclusion, understanding the differences between IA and EA is essential for assessment success. IA demands focused, in-depth research on one organisation, while EA covers broad business management content. Planning thoroughly and following structured processes with teacher support is key for managing IA research and drafts effectively. Focusing on quality by integrating key concepts and applying business tools deeply will demonstrate understanding and critical thinking.